Hi, so here we are in the van. It is no longer a conversion. What we've decided to do is, because of the current situation, we're stuck in lockdown, and the van's been stood still for over a year now since our last trip. So we thought, what shall we do? And we decided to take all the bits off it that we're going to use, so literally everything, including the kitchen sink, kitchen counter, the sofa, the heater, the gas tank,
the
windows, literally just got holes here in the box now. I'm not sure you can see that. So yeah, we've taken everything that's going to be of use in another van conversion, and soon we're going to be doing another van conversion. A couple of reasons. One, the van needed quite a few repairs doing, and it was either put more money into this van and use it ourselves, or put more money in and sell it for someone else to use. We decided we just didn't want to put more money into it really. It's cost us quite a bit over the years, and we'd rather put that money into doing a new project. Also as well, because we're currently down in Cornwall, which is obviously not where me and Heather are from, taking all the bits off this van to use in another van is going to be really useful. We've got people who we know where we're from, where we can source parts, whereas down here we're not so sure where to get all the bits from. eBay, but that's quite expensive for this sort of thing. So we're thinking about our next project, which hopefully we're going to get started on soon. Depends if we can buy a new van given the current situation. But it's going to be a panel van rather than a Luton van, we think. And we're already drawing up plans and stuff for that van. We're going to try and make the new van as homely as possible. This conversion in the back has been absolutely great. No faults at all with it really. The only fault we've got with this van is the actual van itself. It's loud, it's slow. Obviously the engine seized as well. We had to have the engine completely replaced. So we're hoping the new van's going to be a mix of something that's decent to drive, reliable, and still nice place to live in the back, because we're planning on again going away for a long period of time. So yeah, that's our next project, and we will be recording it and showing you how we're doing things and all that sort of stuff. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel. We haven't been putting out many videos lately, but with a new project on the go we will be. So stay tuned, and maybe you'll even see the elusive Heather coming soon.